welcome to my channel. My name is Jolly, and for today's video we are not going to paint, but we will make Dalgona coffee. It's pretty famous in the internet at the moment, and I know that a lot of you are staying at home, self-isolating. I thought that this would be like a fun activity for you and your family. It's super easy to make and you only need just a few ingredients to make this coffee. So let's start. So let's start with a small bowl, and then let's get some instant coffee. So I'm using just the UCC instant coffee granules. You can of course use any other brand, and just make sure that they are instant coffee granules and not the coffee grounds. We want instant coffee that dilutes in hot water. So we need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee granules. And then let's add 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Lastly, let's add 2 tablespoons of hot water. Okay, so we are just going to whisk this. If you have an electric hand mixer, that would be better, but if you're like me who doesn't have an electric hand mixer, a whisk will do. So what we can do is we can just slightly just mix this so that everything will come together, and then you can just tilt the bowl and then start whisking. So we need to reach the stage wherein it will get foamy. Okay, so we are done whisking this foam. So as you can see, it's now very thick and just has a really beautiful consistency. It of course depends on you. Some people they don't whip it this much because they want it a bit softer. So I think it just depends on your preference. But I do love this texture. It's a little bit on the soft peak, but still it can like hold its shape and it looks very nice. So now let's prepare our glass of milk. Okay, so I have here my glass of milk, and I am just going to put some foam on top. So we are done, and this is the finished product. It's so easy to make, and let's just try to mix this. So just remember that if you put a lot of the coffee foam, the drink will be a bit stronger because of the concentrated coffee in this foam. So you can probably add just a little bit first just to try it out. So the way I love to drink this is that I just try to mix the foam with the milk below. So it might take a while, especially if you put a lot of foam on top, and you don't even need to put a lot of foam on top. I just think that it looks very pretty if you put like a lot of foam. It looks yummy. So I do love this drink. I just can't drink a lot of coffee at the moment because I'm pregnant, so my husband will be drinking this and I can probably just take a few sips. And thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video about making Dalgona coffee. I hope that you can try this out too. It's very easy to make, and I hope that you and your family will enjoy this activity. So that's it, and thank you again for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!